Hello guys, sorry we have little interruption so that we cannot continue on that video. So I'm going for the next video. Guys, you are seeing that S button chair which is come with the cross wang. That means two small cans, okay, they split into the can was split into two pieces and they bound together like this. This is called Wangi S button, okay, Wangi S button chair. You can see this finest quality is come with the can natural color of the own natural colors, okay. Guys, this one you can rest very peacefully and relaxing. You can relax yourself, and this is you can use for internal service, indoor purpose, and you can relax yourself very well. This chair cost about 2,800 onwards, okay. Guys, you can see we have lot of baby models, okay. These baby chairs come with 700 rupees. It starts from 700 rupees, this baby chair, okay. As also we have here, we have another model, the same one. It's goes, this chair cost about 600 rupees. And we have here S pattern for small kids. We have colored, red colored, and we have normal one as well, okay. The price of the S pattern A chair is 600 rupees, okay. Sorry guys, I have little. Guys, you can see here, this is the teapot, round teapot, okay. This is the round teapot. You can use for any purpose, okay. This teapot is 1,750 rupees. Guys, you can see here, this is the basket for, okay, chapati, and this is a smaller basket, and we have as well as that bigger basket, okay. And this is the biggest one, and that medium one which is come with the cover. The biggest one don't have cover, and this one come with the cover. This one and that one is 700 rupees. Per piece is 700 rupees. That smaller chapati basket is 500 rupees. And the earlier time already show you that the fruit basket, okay. This one all made with the finest can. The quality is very good. It can last minimum 10 years. Okay, worthwhile for money, your money, value for the money. Okay, guys, you can see here. Sorry, this is that Rocky chair. Come with the bottom double stick, heavy duty. Okay, this chair cost about 900 rupees. Because you can see outside, I show you, the bottom comes only with one can, but yes, they put two can as well here, okay. This is a heavy duty. We can use up to 10 years old. We can use up to 10 years old. Guys, you can see here, this is a waste basket, okay, like laundry basket. You can throw all your cloth inside, okay. You can throw all your cloth inside. laundry basket comes like opening and closing type. Okay, you can see here. This is a laundry basket. Also, you can see this Apple Moda for sitting purpose. Apple Moda. Okay, guys, you can see this is the Apple Moda. You can see this one. This is the Apple Moda. Cost about 1200 rupees. Okay, like a resort. I don't know, normal people may afford to buy this or not, but normally richer people may buy. There is, in business, there is no limit, like such as rich and poor. Whoever wish they have money, they can buy. Right? Sorry to say this. In business, we cannot say this. Guys, this is the basket, like come with double door basket, picnic basket and marketing basket. Come with double door, two-sided door. This is cost about 1000 rupees. Sorry, the cost of the basket is 1000 rupees. Guys, you can see here. Come with a bottom support. You can place peacefully on the floor or on the table, as long as wherever you wish. Okay, this is the puja basket. We have couple of models here. Okay, couple of models here. You can see here, this is the duck type puja basket, and this is a boat type basket. Cost about 400 rupees. This is a small boat type, cost about 180 rupees. And this one is the round one ball type, 6 inches, which is cost about 180 rupees as well. And this one, the pail type, you can see the smaller basket, price goes to 180 rupees as well. And this small duck, the price of the small duck is 250, as well as the biggest duck, the biggest one, cost about 400 rupees. You can see we have two types, big one and the small one as well. We have two types. Sorry guys, I have dropped something, that's why. This is two type of puja basket here, come with the duck models. And this is the 10-inch ball type, cost about 350 rupees. And this is a 8 inches basket for picnic. Okay, this is cost about 500 rupees. And that one is the puja basket. People, for devotional purpose and so on. So, like you can hang it somewhere else, which people don't have, like maybe they will buy it and they will hang it somewhere else in the temple. So that we are selling this. You can see on top we have a lot of things here. Okay, and this one is the rack, shoe rack. Come with small one and big one as well, because today we have rainy, that's why we place inside the store. Okay, this is a small chair. This bottle type dirty cloth pot is cost about 2000 rupees. Big one, guys, you can put a lot of cloth inside. Okay, this is that similar type. Okay, as well as you can see guys. This is a tray, shoe tray or bookshelf. You can use anything as long as you wish. Either you can place your shoes or books as well you wish, as long as you wish. The tallest one is 1300 rupees. The size of the tray is 2 by 1. Okay, the width is 2 feet and the cross is 1 feet and the height is about 3 feet. Okay, this is 1.5 feet height, double trays. Okay, guys, you can see this is made with strings. This is a moda which is come with the string one. This moda is the biggest one. The fatty person, you can stay, you can rest. Anybody can rest like that, big peoples. Okay, like the fatty people, they can sit here because the seat is very big. Okay, for the big peoples. The price of the moda is 700 rupees. Okay, we have the small one. Okay, the small one. You can see it resting only inside that bigger moda. This one, okay, traveling purpose. You can carry it wherever you want to. You can rest like small one. You can rest. The price of the moda is 300 rupees. Okay, the small one. We have lot of models and sizes we have here. This is the moda. The moda we made with this can. Okay, natural, come with that natural color of the can. Okay, can place here, guys. You can see here. The moda cost about 750 rupees. Okay, there is no price negotiation. The price maximum we can give only 750 rupees. Okay, guys, I told you, we have lot of modas here. The similar size, but the height is different. It's nearly about 1.5 feet height. And this one is small one. You can see here the small size, and this is the biggest, double than the size. This is 350 onwards we have. There was 2 type. Below we cover with the Rexin so that this string will last forever. So come with the Rexin one, start from 450. Without Rexin one, start with 400. Okay, guys, you can see here. This is a chair type moda, cover with the Rexin. You can see here. This is like resting your back only. It's come with that back resting only. There are 2 type of chair type modas. Another one, you can place your hand itself. Okay, I can show you the bottom. You can see the bottom one. Wait, I will bring out so that you can see clearly. You can see clearly. Guys, you can see here there are 2 type of modas. You can see that one placing with your hand, like you can place your hand, and this one you cannot place your hand, only you can rest your back. But this one you can rest your back as well, you can place your hand. This one cost about 1400 rupees. Okay, moda. And this one is 1200 rupees. Okay, this one. The price we can give lastly 1100. That means 100 and 1100, and this one we can give 1200. Okay, you can negotiate, you can reduce the price 100 rupees. Okay guys, the same you can see here, which is that box type jula. This one mostly we are giving for that condominium houses, as well as other people also they're buying.